Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to remove the floating circle on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this floating circle is Assistive Touch, and if you've been using Assistive Touch and you want to get rid of the floating circle on your screen, here's how to remove it. You have to go to your settings and scroll to accessibility, and then here find touch section, and at the top find Assistive Touch, and at the very top of your screen you have to disable this Assistive Touch feature. And the floating button immediately disappeared from my screen, as you have seen. And that's it. Assistive Touch menu is now disabled and the floating circle is gone from your iPhone 17 Pro Max. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.